Let's learn how to find out the cube roots of negative numbers. We have some numbers here, -8, -27 and -64. We have to find out their cube roots. Now let's begin with -8. Finding cube roots of negative numbers is quite similar to what we have learned so far in the case of positive numbers. Like here, this is -8. So this -8 can be written as -2 multiplied by -2 multiplied by -2, right? So if you take its cube root, then here clearly it's in -2 is 3 times. So the cube root of -8 is what? -2, right? The next number is -27. So this -27 can be written as excuse me, -3 multiplied by -3 multiplied by -3, right? So this gives you -3 multiplied by -3 is 9, and plus 9 multiplied by -3 is -27. Now if you take its cube root, if you have to find the cube root, then you get -3. In the same way, you have -64. So this -64 can be written as -4 multiplied by -4. -4 multiplied by -4 gives you 16. Multiplied by -4 gives you -64. So if you take the cube root of it, you get -4 because it's 3 times here. Therefore, in general, if your number is -x cubed, where this x is greater than 0, okay? So this is -x cubed, it can be written as -x multiplied by -x. So this -x multiplied by -x gives you x squared, multiplied by -x gives you -x cubed. So taking its cube root, will give you -x. Remember, if it is -x cubed or this is -x cubed, both mean the same thing, right? You will get the same answer for this one.